Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing Exodus Wallet or Exodus.com. So if you don't know what this is, it is basically a Bitcoin and crypto wallet, as you can see right here. So you can store all your Bitcoin and crypto in this hot wallet. So as you can see, we have it here on the website, and they actually seem pretty legit. They actually claim to diversify your holdings, connect to Web3, stake your way to a bigger portfolio, and execute your crypto strategy with ease. And they have a download for Exodus for Windows, and they're also available on mobile and Mac. So if you head on over here to Exodus reviews here on Trustpilot, they're actually rated 4.0 out of 5 stars with 4,000 reviews, and a lot of people saying that they're really good. So your support is great. Fix it the first time, and a lot more. So my BC completely shut down. This whole paragraph, blah blah blah. Long pending for BTC, but arrived eventually. Yeah, that might have been a problem on their part. No companies or no wallet is perfect. Exodus provides excellent customer service. I had an issue in mine, and they helped me fix it, and a lot more. So yeah, this company seems pretty legit since they have a lot of good reviews here on Trustpilot with over 4,000 reviews. So yeah, if you want to use this wallet, go ahead. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.